Now let's look at how to transfer notes from iPhone to computer. Part 1. Connect the iPhone to the PC. Click the desktop icon to run Coolmuster iOS Assistant. Connect your device to the computer using the USB cable. Touch Trust on the iPhone and click Continue. In a few moments, your device will be connected. Click Notes and preview the Notes file. To transfer the iPhone notes to HTML files, select the notes. Choose Export to HTML. Choose Location for your file and it will export the data. And in a short time, you will find the Notes HTML file on your computer. Now let's transfer iPhone notes to XML files by selecting XML. Choose Location for your file and it will export the data. And in a short time, you will find the Notes XML file on your computer. You can search for a particular note on iPhone using search box on upper right. Type in search data and press Enter and the matching notes will be displayed.